Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best jogging all-terrain 3-wheel stroller, look no further. Today, we're diving deep into the Graco FastAction Jogger LX stroller in the drive color. This stroller has everything a busy parent needs, whether you're walking around town or hitting the trails. The first thing that stands out about the FastAction Jogger LX is its sleek and functional design. With a robust metal frame and high-quality polyester fabric, this stroller is built to last through both city streets and rugged terrain. Its 3-wheel configuration gives it that all-terrain capability you need, especially if you're an active parent who enjoys a jog or brisk walk. One of its most convenient features is the signature FastAction 1-second, one-hand fold. Just imagine being able to fold up your stroller while holding your baby or diaper bag in the other hand. It collapses quickly and efficiently, making it incredibly easy to store in your car or hallway closet. Now let's talk about its versatility. The FastAction Jogger LX is ICS compatible, which means it easily converts into a lightweight infant car seat carrier. This compatibility opens up the possibility of turning the stroller into a full travel system from day one. Simply attach your Graco Click Connect infant car seat, and you're ready to roll with your newborn. Comfort is a top priority with this stroller. It features a multi-position reclining seat, which adjusts to suit your child's comfort and support needs as they grow. Plus, there's a 3-position adjustable handle so parents of different heights can push comfortably without strain. For your little one, there's a child-friendly tray that includes a cup holder and space for small toys or snacks. And for parents, there's a generous storage basket underneath. Whether you're packing baby essentials, groceries, or your workout gear, the ample storage space has you covered. As far as build quality goes, the combination of metal framing and durable polyester fabric ensures the stroller can withstand regular use over time. And even with its solid construction, it remains surprisingly agile and responsive to steering. When it comes to performance, the large wheels and quality suspension make a big difference. Whether you're navigating a gravel path, crossing a grassy park, or strolling down the pavement, the ride stays smooth and steady. That's what makes this one of the top choices for all-terrain use. This model is also imported, with attention to international quality and safety standards. It's even JPMA certified, giving you that extra peace of mind when it comes to your child's well-being. The drive color is subtle yet stylish, a modern look that fits in wherever you go. Whether you're out for a jog, heading to the store, or enjoying a day out with your child, the Graco FastAction Jogger LX manages to blend performance with practicality. If you're a parent on the go and need a stroller that adapts to your lifestyle, this could very well be the perfect choice for you. Lightweight, versatile, and rugged, it brings together thoughtful design and high functionality in one package. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.